All right, how do I take this and turn it into this kind of S-bend shape? So I'm gonna do a few things. One, I need to have a hole or a notch in my boat. Two, I want to have a Sharpie to mark things. And so I have the location of my candle here. And we'll imagine that this straight piece was like this. All right, and my bend was here. I'd probably insert it this way. Okay. And we'll say that the coil, imagine again like it's like this. All right, the coil is going to be right here over the flame. And so I'm going to put a mark here where this is going to, there we go, put a mark here where this is going to exit the boat. And then I'm going to look here and I can see that I want this to be right about here, just below the bottom of the boat hole. And I'm just so lucky here that the marker, the length of it, is about the same as how far down I want it to be. So I'll put another mark there. I could measure this with a ruler too. So these are the two places where I'm going to want to bend. So here's my tubing bender. It's currently set with 0 and 0. And if you look here, you can see the smallest hole is the one on the right. So I'm going to start off by bending. All right, I'm going to bend here. And I want to bend this. It doesn't really matter which way I bend it for starts here. I need to hold. So here you can see my little mark right there. I'll put that at 0. I'm going to hold this up against this non-moving part and slowly do this. And the reason I want to slowly do it is because if it develops a kink, I want to notice and stop. I'm going to go all the way to where I get to 90, which is 90. And then I can pull this out. And I've got basically a 90-degree bend. And so what I've just made is this part here, okay? Now I want to bend the other way. So I'll take this out, put it back in, and here's my next mark was right here. You can barely see it right in there. There's my next mark. And so holding it there, I can bend, and that looks pretty good. And there we go, voila. And then I can feed this through here, through my little hole. And I went a bit too low. All right. So I might have to adjust this a little bit. Or if I had a deeper boat, this would work great. But this is how it works.